Hello everyone. Today we are going to see n8n. So n8n basically is a workflow automation platform. It is open source platform and it allows different application, database and AI model to communicate and work together automatically. We can think of n8n like a glue that connects to our tools. For example, we can say a new email arrives on our Gmail inbox. AI summarize it and save it in an document that is on our Google Drive, and the notification is sent to us on Slack, Discord, Telegram, etc. Instead of doing this step manually, n8n handles them automatically. Why do we use n8n? As a developer, we often spend time performing the repetitive tasks like moving data between applications, generating content with AI, updating database, monitoring website, etc. While all of these can be built using traditional code, it often requires setting up servers and writing very big files of code, handling authentication, etc. So n8n simplify this process by providing a visual workflow uh, where we can connect services together and automate tasks in minutes. It allows focus on solving problem rather than building the plumbing between the different tools. So yeah, it's like a drag and drop system. It has drag and drop system, and it is a no-code platform that can be used by anyone. Uh, if you are not into tech, then also you can use it. It's a very good platform to build when we don't have knowledge of how things how to write code and etc. It requires minimal amount of code, and code is only required when we have to do something that is node is not present. So here's the workflow. Like you can see basic workflow. There it has over 500 integration like Discord, Slack. You can see. Yeah, it also have a template library. Template like there are over 10,000 workflow automation templates. There are different types of templates like insert jobs. It will give an automate data extraction with Suite AI, product jobs, article and more. Job and generate tailored cover letter. Yeah, so let's see basic workflows. Here, here you can see two workflows. Like first of all, I will show you the editor. So it's a free plan, so you can see anything basic execution, valuation, the sun. It is used to get other nodes like adding trigger basically that triggers whole workflow, and the other nodes you can see telegram nodes, get chat, get file, send message, etc. HTML, it is used to HTML generate HTML. There's also HTTPS request, webhook. Yeah, there are numerous nodes in it you can use from them. Like it's a schedule trigger. Let's start with this workflow. First of all, it is a schedule trigger. You can see basically this workflow get code from an API and send it to us using Gmail. So it's a trigger node every 1 hour. It triggers every 1 hour. Get codes like random codes, insert it pass results and send it to us using email through text in form of text. In the other workflow, we can see the HTML version. It's getting code. So workflow executed successfully. Yeah, very good. Here's a quote from Eleanor. Do you do what you feel in your heart to be right, for you will be criticized anyway. Yeah. So it's basically very basic. Like here, in this workflow, I'm using an AI chart model from by OpenRouter. By OpenRouter using OpenRouter as a provider. So it gets news from a news API, AI news format. This is the core node I was talking about. Like there is no filter present in this. So filter node present in n8n. So I had written a basic filter that if you that gets the index of news title, description, and content of news, and return it to us. So basically, API provides a very large amount of data, but sending it to the AI is not worth. So I've written this format. So we can write this using AI also. So it's not a big deal. Let's execute this. You can see the amount of data API is sending us, and I saw yeah, you can see that the formatted data is very less. So I will format it, generate summary what is happening in news, and send us a small summary through email. There is an AI, n8n AI that can be used to ask some error we encounter while building, or we can ask it to build something. Like it's pretty easy to use n8n if you don't have the technical knowledge too. Yeah, we can also execute workflow from here. So for publishing, we can also publish it on cloud, and there is also a local hosted version present, so we can download the n8n and host it on our own machine. So we don't have to pay the cloud pricing. Publish it. You can also unpublish. So let's see. Yeah. So here is the uh, here's the news summary email the n8n sent to us. Total AI cutting cost, new airports for. Like you can see that it's pretty good. Like uh, rather than reading very large amount of large news, it gives us summary and why it matters. So yeah, that's basically it. n8n is this only. It's very easy to use and not very hard. So yeah, it can be used by everyone. The chart overview. It can also build automatically if we write a proper uh, prompt for our workflow. We can use it the the n8n AI so to build the workflow.